Imagine logging into a website as a normal user. And just by changing something in the URL, you become admin. Sounds crazy, right? This is called IDOR. Hello friend. Welcome back to channel. Today we are going to solve the TryHackMe Neighbour lab, which contains the IDOR vulnerability. First we will start the machine. And we will wait until to boot the machine. We got the IP address. Now, copy this IP address and paste in browser. We can see the login page. Try default username admin and password also admin. We can see the error, incorrect username and password. We can see, if don't have an account. We can use guest account. For that we need to check the source page by pressing Ctrl+U. In comments we can see username guest and password guest is present. We will use those credentials to log in. We logged in as guest. In URL, we can see the user is equal to guest. Change guest to admin and hit enter. We can see. Now, we logged in as admin. And also we found the flag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.